So, as you can see, I'm packing my stuff up and everything, all that stuff there. It's like nothing in here now. I am going home today. So this is my last time to hear WXL31.
Forecast for Syracuse, Utica, Rome.
And, you know, I was originally planning on doing like a broadcast loop thing, so I recorded that, but, yeah.
Winds this afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Becoming southwest this afternoon.
That is one of the last times on this channel hearing WXL31, I think, for the time being anyways. So, I'll be home probably within the next 4 hours. That's not actually how long it takes us to get there, but I'm leaving in about 2 hours or something, and as if when you look on the radar, you can see we got these storms coming, so I don't know, there might be stuff later today, or tonight, I don't know. Anyways, as always, thank you for watching.